Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you came back today to get in touch with this video. And just in case it's your very first time, my name is Joshua, and I always talk about business, online business, sales. I always talk about cryptocurrency and also talk about tech. These are the three areas of my life these are the three areas I really spend most of my time on. I always talk about it, but maybe once in a while nowadays I can start talking about things that has to do with my personal life if you guys want it. So if you guys want me to make videos about my personal life, about my daily to-do, some of the things I do behind the scene, how I make my videos and all of those stuff, I'd like to know in the comment section. If you notice there's a little change in the vibe and in the background and in the lightning of my videos, just a little change, a little touch up here and there, I can give you guys secrets how I do all of these things, But today we're going to talk about three types of funnel that is going to help you sell out your product massively online. If you are selling your product online, then you really need to listen to this. In fact, number 2 and number 3 is very important. So pay close attention and follow everything I'll be sharing with you in this video. I wouldn't want you to miss any part of this video. I would really want you to listen now to the end of this video. It's going to be an exciting time together. We're going to learn a lot together, right? So let's get started with what funnels are. Meanwhile, so if you sell products online, you should be familiar with the word sales funnel. So sales funnel means it's just a roadmap, right, where we take our customers from the point of not even knowing our product, the point of getting to know our product, as the point of buying our product. There's this formula for funnels called the AIDA methodology: the awareness, interest, desire, and then the last A is the action. And I added, of course, the new protocol for that is the one that has the R. The R is retention. I've done an exclusive video on sales funnel. Check in my YouTube channel. The link might be in the description section as well. I would like you to watch that video. But today we're going to talk about 3 types of funnel that you can use right now and sell out your product massively online. And I would like to know in the comment section, just before you continue watching this video, tell me the type of funnel that you've used maybe last year, this year, you've been using and you've been getting good results. Let me know in the comment section. Type the type of funnel. I will be reading the comment section, so I really want you to type it in the comment section. And just before I start telling you these 3 funnels, I'd like you to pay close attention and make sure you listen to the way they work and how you're going to also apply it in your business. All right, are you ready? Let's go. So the number 1 type of funnel is, I'm going to start from the bottom up, right? Like, I'm going to start from the one that gives result, the one that gives more result, and the one that gives the best result as far as sales funnel is concerned. So I would like you to really pay attention and don't miss it. So I'm going to start from the last one. The last one is survey funnel, right? So what is survey funnel? If it's your first time of hearing about survey funnel or even funnel, I'm going to break it down for you. So survey funnel is when you set up a sales funnel that is just focused on getting to ask your dream customers questions about their lives, information that has to do with the product you want to sell them. So let's say, for example, I want to sell them a product that has to do with high blood pressure. I can ask them questions like their age range, because it's going to help me. Are you pregnant? How long have you been having this problem? Ask them a couple of questions. Have you used any drug before? And all of those stuff. So you just collect some information that is really important for you to sell that product out. So most times customers are willing to share this information with you because they believe that when you know exactly how that problem is happening around them or in their body, as the case may be now, you will give them a better solution. So most times businesses close up more sales with this methodology. So you can apply it in your website, you can apply it on as simple as your Instagram. So I had a client who I was just conversing with some days ago. What he was doing was he would send people to their DM on Instagram, ask them these questions. It increases the desire, the interest of your dream customer in your product. So instead of just telling the person, I have the hypertension, but you're going to tell the person, okay, you are pregnant, you have hypertension, it's been there for 5 years, you are above 40. Instead of just taking this product, you need to take 2 of it and add this other one to it. Sometimes you end up even selling them more of your products at the same time. So learn to use survey funnel is going to help you sell out your product very fast this year. So make sure in all that doings, use software funnel. Now the number 2 type of funnel is, I want you guys to guess in the comment section. Guess the second type of funnel. Type it right now before you continue watching the video. Don't fast forward the type. All right, so let's go. The number 2 funnel that will help you sell out your product very fast this year is the lead funnel. So the lead funnel is a funnel where you just collect your dream customers' information, so you can use a free material, a free book, a free PDF, a resource file that they really need, an information they will need in line with the context of the product you're trying to sell to them, whether it's a digital product or a physical product. Okay, so for example, if I want to sell you a sales funnel program, I can give you a checklist on how to sell out a product fast as a free gift, and then get your information. When I'm talking about your information, I'm talking about your email and phone number. Your email and phone number. So email, phone number, and sometimes name. So what you now do is, after you've collected it, you now follow them up through emails and then get them to buy your product. The advantage of this is, once you have their email, you have it for life, unless the person unsubscribes from your email list. Okay, so it's something that is basically everlasting. You are not going to get their email every single day. All you can do is to increase your list, your customer list, and all of these things are very, very powerful tools. You can use it to sell more of your product at the same time, and you can sell out very fast. Okay, so make sure you are using this. It's going to really go a long way to help you. Now the last type, and the number 3 type of funnel that I know that will help you sell out your product very, very fast this year is, can you guess it? It's the webinar funnel. All right, so I've done a video on my YouTube channel where I explained the webinar funnel. I've done an intensive video on that. It was a live session where I talked about webinar funnel, and I think it was a $2,000 webinar funnel series that I did that time. Very, very mind-blowing. I want you guys to watch that video. Link should be on my description section. Even if it's not on the description section, just grab the video on my YouTube channel, right? So webinar funnel is where you're going to use, most times, of course, it works best with evergreen webinar that people can watch any day. Not like you're going to host it today, tomorrow you host it again, next month you host it again. Use something that is recurring, something that someone can come today and watch it, someone can come tomorrow and watch it. I've done an exclusive video on that where I explain how you can use system.io to build that kind of funnel. So I want you all to apply it. Webinar funnel is where you just make a video. This video talks about how there's a script I gave in that particular video where you have to talk about the problem, the solution, and how this is your product of this problem, and then a couple of testimonials. You use it to record the webinar series and then put it up online. People submit their information, people watch the video, and they buy your product. It has always been working, and it will work, and it will keep working. So these are the 3 types of funnel that will definitely help you out, help you sell more of your product this year, and not just more of it, but you're going to sell it out very fast. So that is physical product or digital product. Okay, so get back on, review these things, apply it to your business. I would like to get the results. I would like to know the results you get when you apply these things. Also, feel free to reach me on Instagram and on Twitter. Description, all of this information on my description of this video, and don't forget to like so that a lot more persons can see this video, and of course subscribe to the YouTube channel. Of course, share this video, share with your community. If you are a business owner, you're a tutor, you have students, you have a community, share this video, let them learn some of these things and apply it also in their business. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you in the next video where I'll be showing you more things and more information on how you can sell out your product massively this year. Thank you.